We're gonna finish this up, this episode. Needs a little bit of sharpening, obviously. Got a couple touch-ups I want to do on the steel down here. Rebuff this out, oil it up, get it ready to go. But doing a little intro afterwards. Just want to bring you up to speed on where we are, go over the build again. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. This is the blue Rhino build. We have 2 other videos showing you how I made the liners glow, put gemstones in the handle, built the sheath. We'll be building the sheath in this video. This is blue leather, gray kydex over top of it. New adjustable belt clip, the quick button on it. Yeah, the rich light stripe, G10 stripes. G10 gray first, then the glow. The glow does have the green speckles are in the first layer of the blue glow, not with the other stones. So there's 2 layers of stones. Yeah, we're gonna be finishing it up this time. Welcome to Clayton M Studio. Welcome back to the shop. This should be part 2 of the blue Rhino build. I have it up to this point. Blade is blackened, stone washed. Handle is polished. I may go over that one more time. The leather sheath made up. Formed it just with water and tools and my fingers. Let it dry. I got a beautiful fit there. I'm gonna wrap that in Kydex because that's what I do. I got a gray Kydex, so it's gonna be gray Kydex over blue leather. So we're gonna warm up the Kydex. We're gonna wrap this around, and then, like I've done on the other knives, we'll shape this to reveal some of the blue leather underneath it. About 300 degrees, a little over 300. Put that in there for a minute. The good news for the day is my torpedo heater died, so at least you won't have to listen to that in the background. It is still fairly cold in Ohio today. How are we looking? Well, that's getting soft. It's getting soft. Just cut that down because I thought it was a little bit big before I came out, and now it looks like it was barely wide enough. It really shrinks up when you heat it. I thought I still had plenty. There's plenty on the fold direction, but this way it was looking a little short. Let's open it up, see what we got. Kind of funky right here, I don't know. you.